Alright, so today we're going to be learning about synthetic division. Synthetic division. Now it kind of sounds like it'd be difficult. I mean, you just look at it and you're like, synthetic what? Don't do that. This is ridiculous. But it's actually very, very terrifyingly easy. Now, I'm going to just start off with a problem because if I try to explain anything, I'll probably make myself look like a fool. So we'll have 3x cubed minus 2x to the power of 2 minus 7x plus 6 over x plus 1. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take x plus 1 and opposite it, because this is the number that we're going to be dividing by. So we'll have negative 1 with a strange upside down dividey thingy. I didn't understand it either. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the number with the highest power and put it first, and the number with the second power and put it second, so on and so forth. So it'll be 3, negative 2, negative 7, positive 6. Just 6. Now what you're generally supposed to do is multiply the number that's here, right here, with the number that's here. But since there is no number there, we're going to have to bring this down. So it's negative 1 times 3, you'll get negative 3. And then you add these two together, and you'll get negative 5. And you multiply negative 5 times negative 1, and you get positive 5. And then it'll give you negative 2 when you add them together. Negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2, and then you'll get 8. And this right here is your remainder, meaning that it will stay over x plus 1. And so how you write this would be 3x squared. Now, I feel like I should point that out. No matter what, whenever you do synthetic division, the first number in the end result answer will be 1 less to the power than the original problem. So it'll be 3x squared minus 5x minus 2 plus 8 over x plus 1. And that is your answer. Now, there are times where a problem will not have, 3x squared and 2x squared, all of the numbers, or whatever. They'll show up like this. Say there's 2x to the power of 3 minus 5x minus 7 over x plus 2. I'm sorry, it's x minus 2. Now what you do is, as usual, you'll take your number and you'll opposite it. So, to set it up, we'll have 2 and weird dividing. Now what you do here is as you'll see, this is the highest number, so you'll put 2 here. Since there is no x squared number, you will put a 0 in its place. Then you can continue on with negative 5 and negative 7. And from there you just continue the problem the way you'd normally do. So 2, that's 4, and you add them together and you have 4. 2 times 4 is 8, that's positive 3. And 2 times 3, that's 6. You'll have negative 1. Wait a second. Yes, I was right. That's a negative 1 remainder. And you'll write that as 2x squared 3 squared plus 4x plus 3 minus 1 over x minus 2. And that is your answer. We'll do another one with all the numbers. We've got 2x to the power of 3 plus 7x squared minus 6x minus 8 over x plus 4. So we'll take our number here and we'll opposite it. So we'll set our problem up here. That was a really badly drawn box corner. So we have negative 4, 2, 7, negative 6, and negative 8. And so we'll work through our problem here. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8, and that'll lead you to a negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 4 is positive 4, and you'll get a negative 2. Negative 4 times negative, it's positive 8, and you'll have a 0, which means you have no remainder. There will be nothing at the end of your problem, or your answer. And so, the answer will be 2x squared minus 1x minus 2. And that is your entire answer. So it's really very easy. Let's see. Here's a pretty short one. We've got x to the power of 3 plus 5 over x plus 2. You know, it's our negative number here. And so this is really a lot like the other one that we did a minute ago. We've got negative 2, we've got a 1, and there is no x squared or x value. So you'll put zeros in both of their places, and 5. So bring our 1 down, we've got 1. Negative 2 times 1, that's still negative 2. And so you'll get negative 2 here. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. 4 negative 2 is negative 8. Negative 3, and that is our remainder. So we will write the problem as 1x squared minus 2x plus 4 minus 3 over x plus 2. That was it. Alright, and we have one more problem to do today, and it's relatively easy. I mean, if you know what we're doing. So we've got 5x3 minus 3x squared minus 6 over x minus 1. So we get our opposite number, so that's a plus 1. So we'll get 1. 5 goes down. Sorry. Negative 3, 0, since there is no x value, and 6. So we brought our 5 down already because I was in a hurry to get done with this. So we've got 5. We'll put 5 here. That gives us negative 2. No, sorry, positive 2. Negative 2 here, so we'll get another positive 2. Another 2 here. And we'll have negative 4 because I forgot to make this a negative. And there's our remainder. So our answer will be 5x squared plus 2x plus 2 minus 4 over x minus 1.